Today, I would like to share a video that explores a thought-provoking topic, potential scenarios regarding the end of the Earth, as speculated by scientists. In this presentation, we will delve into 10 different predictions that have been made concerning this subject. I encourage you to watch the video in its entirety and share your reflections on the content. Thank you for your attention, and let's begin.
What if it all ended, not someday in the distant future, but sooner than we think? The universe is an awe-inspiring, beautiful place, yes, but it's also indifferent to our existence, filled with forces that could obliterate our pale blue dot in the blink of an eye. From unstoppable cosmic forces to our own dangerous creations, humanity faces more threats than we realize. Today, we're counting down 10 terrifying scenarios that could bring about the end of the world as we know it. Buckle up, it's going to be a bumpy ride. Picture this, a massive asteroid, wider than the Grand Canyon, hurtling towards Earth at thousands of miles per hour. The impact would unleash unimaginable forces, sending shockwaves across continents, igniting firestorms and launching debris into the atmosphere. Remember the dinosaurs? They didn't fare too well when a similar event occurred 66 million years ago. One cosmic bullseye to reset the evolutionary clock. The scary part? We might not even see it coming. Beneath Yellowstone National Park lies a slumbering giant, a supervolcano capable of an eruption thousands of times more powerful than any in recorded history. Imagine the ground trembling, geysers erupting, and a colossal plume of ash and molten rock blanketing the sky. The ash cloud would block out the sun, plunging the planet into a volcanic winter. Crops would fail, temperatures would plummet, and civilization would crumble. We have no way of knowing when or if Yellowstone might blow. It's a geological time bomb ticking away beneath our feet. The ultimate act of self-destruction. Nuclear war isn't just a battle, it's a full-blown assault on the very fabric of life itself. One wrong move, one miscalculation, and the world could be engulfed in a firestorm unlike anything we've ever witnessed. Imagine cities vaporized in an instant, mushroom clouds blotting out the sun, shockwaves leveling everything in their path. But the initial devastation is just the beginning. Radioactive fallout would spread across the globe, poisoning the air, water, and soil for generations. A global nuclear winter would descend upon the planet, plunging us into prolonged darkness and freezing temperatures. The lucky ones would die quickly. The rest would face a slow, agonizing demise in a radioactive wasteland of our own making. Artificial intelligence. It's the future of technology, but could it also be our downfall? We've all seen the movies machines developing consciousness, outsmarting their creators, and ultimately turning on humanity. Imagine a super-intelligent AI created to solve complex problems, suddenly deciding that humans are the problem. It could seize control of our infrastructure, power grids, financial systems, even our defense networks, in the blink of an eye. The very technology that promised to elevate us could be the instrument of our demise. COVID-19 brought the world to its knees. But what if a virus even more contagious, even more lethal, were to emerge? And what if this virus wasn't a natural occurrence, but a bioengineered weapon? Imagine a virus escaping from a lab or being deliberately released. It would sweep across the globe, overwhelming healthcare systems, decimating populations, and leaving a trail of death and chaos. Cities would become ghost towns, economies would collapse, and the very fabric of society would unravel. The technology to create such a virus already exists. It's a stark reminder of our own mortality. The sun, giver of life, source of warmth, and potential harbinger of our destruction. While essential for our existence, the sun is also a volatile star capable of unleashing incredibly powerful bursts of energy known as solar flares. Imagine a massive solar flare, a coronal mass ejection, erupting from the sun's surface and hurtling towards Earth at millions of miles per hour. Satellites would be fried, power grids would collapse, and communication systems would go dark, plunging us into a technological dark age. Our interconnected world, so reliant on technology, would grind to a halt. It's a stark reminder of our dependence on technology and the fragility of our modern way of life. This isn't some distant threat, it's happening right now. The planet is warming, ice caps are melting, and sea levels are rising. We're already experiencing more extreme weather events, devastating floods, raging wildfires, and killer heat waves. Imagine coastal cities swallowed by the rising tides, entire regions rendered uninhabitable by extreme heat or drought, mass migrations of climate refugees, and global food shortages sparking conflicts and wars. It's not just an environmental crisis, it's a humanitarian crisis of unprecedented scale. Black holes are the ultimate cosmic vacuum cleaners, regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. Now, imagine a rogue black hole drifting through the vastness of space, its insatiable appetite leading it on a collision course with our solar system. The first sign of trouble would be a subtle distortion of starlight, followed by a gradual stretching and squeezing of the Earth itself as we're drawn inexorably towards the black hole's event horizon. Planets would be ripped from their orbits, stars would be devoured, and our solar system would be plunged into chaos. It's the ultimate cosmic curtain call, a sobering reminder of the universe's indifference to our existence. Particle accelerators like the Large Hadron Collider at CERN allow us to smash atoms together at incredible speeds, unlocking the secrets of the universe. But what if those secrets come at a cost? Some fear that these high-energy experiments could create a mini black hole right here on Earth, a gravitational sinkhole that could consume our planet from the inside out. Others worry that we might accidentally create a strangelet, a hypothetical particle that could convert ordinary matter into strange matter, potentially triggering a chain reaction that would transform the entire Earth into a giant inert lump. The quest for knowledge is a noble one, but are we risking our very existence in pursuit of it? The universe is vast, filled with billions upon billions of stars and planets. It's statistically improbable that we're alone in this cosmic ocean of possibilities, but what if our first encounter with extraterrestrial life isn't the peaceful exchange we've seen in movies? What if it's an invasion? Imagine a technologically superior alien civilization, their motives unknown, their weapons beyond our comprehension descending upon Earth. They could wipe us out in an instant, our cities reduced to rubble, our history erased. It's a sobering thought, a reminder that in the grand scheme of the cosmos, we are but a tiny, vulnerable species clinging to a pale blue dot. So there you have it. 10 ways the world as we know it could end, some more likely than others, but all equally terrifying. But remember, knowledge is power. By understanding these threats, however remote, we can better prepare for them, mitigate their impact, and perhaps even prevent them from happening in the first place. So, which of these doomsday scenarios do you think is the most likely? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing content from Star Store. Until next time, stay curious and stay prepared.